Hey guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us. And today I'm making some weed killer. I wanted to find a natural weed killer because I refuse to use those killers out there. That's not funny, but you know what I'm saying, the very deadly ones on the market. So I'm going to use salt, some Dawn dish soap, and some white vinegar. I'm just going to put it in a spray bottle, shake it up, or mix it up, shake it up, and spray my weeds, and I'll show you if it works or not. The recipe calls for the whole gallon of vinegar, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do 2 cups of vinegar, and it calls for a tablespoon each of the salt and the Dawn dish soap. So I'm just going to use like a little 1/4 teaspoon, mix it up, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so I got the 2 cups of vinegar. We're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little 1/4 teaspoon of dish soap. And just give it a good stir. And then we're going to put it in our bottle and see if it really kills weeds. Okay, guys, forgive me because I'm doing this behind the camera. So simple, so easy. I hope it works. I'm going to let it sit overnight. And then in the morning, I'm going to go out in the yard and see if it kills weeds. All right, I'll let you know. Okay, guys, and just make sure you label your bottle just so there's no mistakes. Okay, guys, we're outside and we're gonna see if this works. It says not to do it in the morning with the morning dew or when it's wet from the rain. So it seems pretty dry right now. So we're just gonna, let's get a little less spray. And then we'll come back and check and see if it works. I hope it does. And this is not harmful to animals or children. Okay, here's another spot we're gonna do. This way we can see if it's really working on these big weeds. I'll get all the way over there, but yeah, I just went over them like 2 or 3 times, like that. I did all along the sidewalk. And we'll check tomorrow to see how it does, or a couple days. Look at that, you guys. I woke up this morning and it was all very green. And I thought, oh my gosh, this didn't even work. And later on, now that the sun's out, oh, you can't see it good. It burned away all the green. So it actually did work, and I'm so happy. There's these, same ones from yesterday. Look at that, you guys. Okay, it worked good right there. See that? And the next one right there. Yeah. So, yeah. And I just wanted to show you that area. Ooh, it's getting windy out here. See, it works great. What I've been doing, guys, is just rubbing the weeds with my foot and just rubbing it out, and yeah, it's working great. Okay, you guys, that weed killer worked perfect. I did all those cracks. I didn't do the weeds in the garden area, but see that? Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a try. I just did 2 cups of vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of dish soap, Dawn dish soap, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and it worked great. So subscribe to my channel, and if you like food videos, definitely subscribe because I have over 500 of those. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and be blessed.